Hi, and welcome to our video on replacing the keyboard in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-C1. First thing we need to do is remove the bottom strap, and I'm just whizzing through the screw removal here. There's 2 screws on each side, and I just want to warn you about this repair. That keyboard is a real booger to get off. They put a lot of double-sided tape on the bottom, and it's a very fragile keyboard. So be careful when replacing this keyboard. So once we have this strap off, I'm going to remove the 5 screws on the bottom that hold this keyboard in place. First one is here, and I'll whiz through these real quickly for you. The 5th screw is actually hidden underneath the plastic piece here. So we have to remove this screw, remove this, and then remove the screw underneath it. Once we've done that, I'm going to remove the last screw, flip it over. Now I used a hair dryer to loosen up the double-sided tape so that I could easily remove this keyboard. It still was difficult. And you got to be careful not to bend and break and do something bad to the keyboard if you want to reuse it. And here's the connector I zoomed in on. There's a little piece of plastic that's holding the ribbon cable in place. So I'm just going to remove it here. It's actually stuck to the ribbon cable. I'm not going to remove it completely because I want to reuse it with the new keyboard. I use a little flathead screwdriver to try to get an edge on that tape so I don't ruin the tape and can reuse it. There we go. So once we have that, my fingers are kind of fat to be pulling up that kind of thing. Don't tear that ribbon or break the connector that's on the system board. And I just remove it from the actual cable, pull the tape back, and now the ribbon cable is held in with just some push-in clip. Be careful not to break the clip, and just use a flathead screwdriver to kind of edge out that connector. Once I have that, the ribbon cable slides right out, and we can put in the new keyboard. I don't have a new keyboard to put in this one. This is for demos only, so I'm going to use the same keyboard. I'm going to make sure that when I put this ribbon cable in, you'll know when it's in because it will clip in. I use a little screwdriver to kind of push it in to help me push it in. You'll feel it when it hits. And there you go. That one's in, and then I'm just going to push the clips back in so that it pressures the ribbon cable down. Okay, then we're going to replace the little plastic cover that was holding the keyboard in. Once we've done that, there we go. We can fold the keyboard back over. Make sure the clips go in at the bottom. And I reseal the double-sided tape. And all we're going to do is replace the screws in the bottom. Now, if this video helped you out in any way, I hope you hit that like button right below it. If you'd like to see a different repair video every day, we upload most every day, subscribe to our channel, and we will notify you whenever there's a new video that we put up. Here's my last screw. So go ahead and hit that like button right below this video. Don't forget to put this plastic cover back on. And once we've done that, we're going to replace the plastic handle that was on the bottom of this laptop. I'm going to whiz through the screws here so that I don't bore you with the tedious part of the repair. I will say this is one of the fewest screw removals for a Panasonic Toughbook to replace a keyboard like this. And once we have those screws in, you'll be all set to go. Once again, hit that like button, and I want to thank everyone for watching.